Hey, it's Carly,
And this is Marie.
and well, we're riding on the back of the truck whenever my grandpa gets this started.
Woo, this is fun. You
Yeah.
know, we're just kind of...
Sitting here, oh man, he's gonna drive by my head.
Oh gosh, oh my gosh.
If I let call the phone, please remember.
What that way?
No, 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 no.
Oh my God, we're kind of bouncing. We're going bouncing. We're
You think we should jump off?
No, stupid.
That's like Brian and Theodore, our bestest friends.
Oh, Brian,
Jump off a golf cart. They're like beasts. Just go to YouTube and type in Brian and Theroy. They're our best friends. They'll love it.
Yeah.
You think I should jump off?
Let's jump off as soon as it stops.
1, 2, 3, jump!
There's the truck right there, Sonny.
Like Limbo.
Hold still! I want to
Alright, let's get our materials.
Well, thanks for watching.
Well, so, and, well, bye.